Well friends, here is the problem number 41 and the given question is, here they have given statements. The first statement is, some cars are bicycles. Second statement is, all bicycles are buses. Third statement is, some buses are lorries. And they have given two conclusions. First conclusion, some buses are cars. Second conclusion, some cars are lorries. And the four options are, only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows is the second option, and the third option is both conclusions 1 and 2 follows, and the last fourth option is, yes, it is neither 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. So to solve such type of problems, you have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay friends, now I will draw the Venn diagram for these given statements. The first statement says some cars are bicycles. So I will draw a circle here which is for cars. This circle is representing cars, and in the statement some cars are bicycles. So I have to draw one more circle. This is for bicycles. Okay. Here this portion indicates some cars are bicycles. This portion is going to represent that statement. Now coming to the next statement, all bicycles are buses. So I have to draw one more circle which is for buses. So I will draw one more circle here. One more circle here which is going to represent for buses. Okay. Why I have drawn this circle which is entirely outside the cycle of bicycles? Yes, it is the statement which states that all the bicycles, that is all the bicycles are buses. That's why I have drawn this bigger circle. And now coming to third statement, that is some buses are lorries. So this is the circle which represents for buses. Now I have to draw a circle which should represent lorries, and I have to state the direction, that is some buses are lorries. So I can draw one more circle here which should partly overlap the circle for buses, and this circle represents for lorries. Okay, I have drawn the circle for cars. This is the circle for cars, and I have drawn the circle for bicycles. This is the circle, and next I have drawn the circle for buses. Yes, this is the biggest circle, and lastly I have drawn one more circle that is representing for lorries. And now coming to first conclusion, the first says that some buses are cars. If you see the Venn diagram, can you find some buses are cars? Can you find? If you see the Venn diagram that has been drawn here, that is some buses are cars. The bus circle is this, and some buses are cars. Is it possible some buses are cars? Yes, the statement 1 is correct. So this bus circle is going to overlap the circle for cars. Okay, here it is overlapping. This portion is going to give you the statement, the conclusion, that is the first conclusion, some buses are cars. That means the conclusion 1 is true. Now moving to second conclusion, that is some cars are lorries. Do you find in the drawn Venn diagram? No, some cars are not lorries. So if you see the circle for which is representing for lorries is far away from the circle which is representing for cars. There is no relationship between both the circle. That means the conclusion 2 is wrong. The conclusion 1 is the which is true. Now with using that, I will go with options. Whichever option matches with our answer, that is the conclusion 1 is only the correct conclusion. That will be our right option. Now coming to first option, the first option it is stating that only conclusion 1 follows. That means the right answer. So what we found, only conclusion 1, that is some buses are cars, is true. Thus going to state the same, that is only conclusion 1 follows. So the first option is the right option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.